Hello guys, hello people, welcome to Ogi Family Fun TV. Oh yes guys, this is Africa Jama First Lady, your girl. You can also call me MK, which is Mama Kevin. Yeah, Kevin is our first son, so you can also call me MK or Africa Jama First Lady or YouTube Queen. You guys know what time it is. Okay guys, so it's about to go down now. Yeah, my husband, this is evening guys, in case you don't know that, evening. So my husband demands for stash, honey one is stash this evening. Okay, I'm here to prepare stash, but I'm just gonna do something crazy. Let's pick up my husband reaction. Yes, now it's your girl, bad girl, right? So guys, we have stash here. First, I'm just going to hide this one. So after doing what I want to do with this and give it to my husband to eat it, I'm just gonna, like, in the case he rejects it, I'm just gonna, like, we don't have more stash again. Like, I'm just gonna like say something. Okay, so let's go now. This is my stash here. I have bitter leaf prepared already. Okay guys, so I have bitter leaf soup prepared already. So here I have a stash, so I just have to turn on the gas now and prepare it. Let me prepare table for my husband to come and eat food. But it's about to cut down, so I'm just going to prank my husband with something. Don't matter to me, but it is what it is. Okay, so follow up this video guys, follow up, share our video, like this. If you are watching it on Facebook, follow the page. If you are watching it on YouTube, subscribe so you don't miss out any of our video. So we are funny people, we make you laugh and we entertain you, you know what I mean? So see y'all later, you know. So guys, this is the stash. Try to mix stash now. Just pray it's not too strong. So this is what my husband is about to eat right now. Okay, I hope you guys are hearing me. So I'm making this for morning now. I'm just going to take you guys along with what I'm about to do to my husband right now. So guys, let me prepare the table and do what I have to do. So I will show you guys. Let me go and keep my camera somewhere safe and secure. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and do something. So I just need to leave this one a little bit. Hello guys, can you guys see me? So let me call my husband to come and eat food right now. Okay, can you see me? Hello, hi. Okay, wait, let me call my husband. It's wait for me. Honey, I don't know. As it just a hot now, so you go free just eat them. Oh my God. Honey?
Yeah.
Food already now. You never eat. It's already because our cold, the bad. If you don't cold just now, I don't go let you. I'll let you eat. You can serve your food now. You know, see, as it just the hot now, you can. Oh my God, it's really too well. Okay, what the hell? Can I put all? This one, they okay?
Yeah.
Your quick come tomorrow, Abby. When you take your appointment?
9 o'clock.
Exactly 9.
9 sharp.
Exactly 9 sharp. So they sharp. So if you just eat finish, you stay full, then you sleep.
Hey! Don't angry me.
Yeah, you'll be this one, sir. Huh? Now your food is this one, Sha.
My food? No, no, you don't know. You not plenty. It's too small.
How many too small?
This one is your own.
How many too small? You go give me food, you sleep.
I not sneeze food though.
Sure you not sneeze. What you do just now? I mean, they give food, make you sneeze inside food. Which kind of thing?
You know it's an
How you not eat now?
Why you dey behave like that?
Oh,
I
why?
don't suffer the cook for this. I don't sneeze inside now.
Sure you not sneeze inside? Oh, oh.
I mean, I don't sneeze inside. Why you dey do like this? Take water, take wash hands.
Hey, come take food, make you eat it.
Why now?
Oh, that starts no day.
Don't be so bad. Give this boy some way dey upset. Why you talk like that?
You won't give me food, they sneeze inside food, they say, oh, man, which kind of thing that one now? You sneeze inside food.
I don't sneeze food. No. I mean, I don't sneeze for you. Don't enter inside.
My eye, they pay me. Me, I don't see am.
I sneeze for inside this food. No.
You sneeze inside this food. Eye, they pay me. Oh.
I bet eat now, so you dey do trouble. Wait for
Okay,
the.
take cushion be.
Why now? I bet eat now your food. Now
No,
you don't cook.
Oh,
Why?
You sneeze inside food, they tell me say why? Why you go sneeze inside food? You dey sneeze inside food. Man, eat food, no you sneeze food. And you dey sneeze spit, they fall, pwa for your mouth. Man, eat.
Spit fall for inside.
But the sneeze, why you go? When you know what to eat, I will prepare myself. You know what to eat, man, I go eat. Thank you, no
I
vex.
suffer cook food for you. Maybe
No
eat
vex,
and
no
me
vex,
go
no
do
vex,
it.
no vex, no vex. Thank you, no vex. You no vex. But you won't give me food. At least you drop. If you want me drop on that, why you go? Just please say food person with now.
I don't sneeze inside.
Nah,
I
you
cover
feel-
my mouth. I don't sneeze inside.
So you call your man. Waiting there, just this. How they pay me? How they pay me? Oh. What's that? Just this.
Yeah, sorry now.
Now you know what I need. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Why?
Now which one be why now? I'll do another one like this. I just need some food.
But you know enter inside now. Why you dey behave like that? You know enter inside. Sneeze dey worry me.
Only you know it inside.
No.
What happened to you? What do you miss to say again? Hello. No. Which one be your own now? I'm not going to when you give person, you won't give person at least. Before you get sneeze down, before you sneeze out, you think that it's going to do. They say for the person when you sneeze food, you say the post there say sneeze them. Oh, which can't be all this ones now? Oh, I better come carry the man not to me, man. You won't give person food, you can sneeze for food. If you don't want to give person food, tell me say you don't want to give person food. You give person food and you sneeze for food, which can't be all this ones now?
But wait, me sneeze for inside this food.
No, what do you do? You not sneeze. You not what do you do? You not sneeze, what do you do? You not sneeze, what do you do now? You just sneeze pot there now, you sneeze come for inside pot there. Who want eat that one? Now you want eat the food for the house? Huh? Now you want eat finish the food for the house? You want sneeze, cover your mouth if you want sneeze, now carry tissue.
But I have food for her. That one take cover my mouth.
Before the sneeze, do you know drop her first? Before sneeze, do you know drop the food first?
Oh Jesus! How big? So food when I suffer cook now, you don't eat. Okay, conquer another one day. May I bring the new one? But I don't know the love when you say you get for person. Person when you love, I sneeze now. Now just ordinary sneeze now. I don't know the kind of love when you get for person. So love different. Oh, no problem. I call another one day. Why you make am by yourself? Come now. You dey talk to me. You did that side. Come now. We not now sneeze. I will not get quarrel. May you come. I take it the apart. Stash no evil day because now you say I give those men that day. Why you call come out?
The blue is the best person.
I mean a prank. I not sneeze inside this food. I do it.
They are there for get it. Don't put it on this prank.
It is I do. No. I don't make. I swallow my like. I don't make. No. I don't put anything inside. Now prank I prank on me now. That's true. No, you don't even need to know. But not true. No, not true. Not true. So really now say don't be prank. I sneeze. Say I really sneeze.
On the sneeze, they get sneeze. If you want sneeze, there's difference between when you love someone, then you bring out things that is not nice inside of you. Then you pour in someone's food. It's not nice now.
But yeah, just say there. What the la? It is hard to look now. You know they look if not prank. Hey guys, I didn't sneeze in this food. No, I just do like it. Like I didn't sneeze it out. I kind of swallow my breath. Okay, so like I didn't it. No, okay guys. So I didn't sneeze in this food. It was just a prank. So guys, thank you all guys for being here. Don't do that at home. Say bye. See you all guys in my next video. Yes, the queen is back. This is me, First Lady 1, Mama Kevo, MK1. Say bye. Bye guys. I love you.
She's crazy guys for me.
Thank you all guys for being here. Stay blessed and then bye. You can try this at home if
don't
you want.
try it at home. Don't try. Don't use good leg.
You can try it at home, but don't sneeze it out. You can do it like I didn't bring it out like okay. Stay blessed and then bye.